I mean, I'm very fortunate to have two amazing actresses, superstars, beautiful ladies, extremely professional,
Yes.
in the absolute prime of their careers. And they've both given spectacular performances. They both are amazing looking. And I guess that's why Cocktail 2, even Kunal can't decide who to go with. And that's what the film is all about. But it's been an absolute pleasure. And it's great to have both of them and to be a part of both these songs.
Lovely.
Shahid, tell me something. Abhi, you were telling, you were saying something about chemistry, na? I loved what you said about chemistry.
this सब बातें बताने वाली थोड़ी होती है, पागल हो गई है.
आपको कुछ केमिस्ट्री के बारे
But
में
if you
बताएं.
have to define chemistry and chemistry,
This is like with Rashmika, it's my first film, but it never felt like it was our first film. I honestly, whenever we got into any shot, we never even discussed what we're gonna do.
yeah.
And I loved the fact that she was all up for spontaneity, and we just had a lot of fun. So and that doesn't happen every time. So I'm really happy that we just went for it and we did whatever we did, and it was amazing to share screen space with you.
No, I fully agree. Yeah. Like every time we were working on a scene together, somehow spontaneously we would just come up with, you know, after takes there'll be one extra tichka that we give, and we didn't even see it coming. We don't even rehearse it. It just comes, and that's what the chemistry was. Like magical, and thank you,
But
Shahid.
I have
You're
to
the
say,
best.
I have to say, because I was not there when you guys shot the song, obviously. I think you guys have such cute chemistry. It is adorable. The way, and I'm seeing you guys also like on screen for the first time together. Guys, how did you like that chemistry? Wasn't
Amazing.
it super cute?
Too good.
ये कौन है जिसने बोला I love it?
Love it.
Huh?
No, but seriously, guys, like, we have definitely known for a while that you guys have something magical, the two of you. But something in Cocktail 2 is just so different. You look hot, that the world knows. And you are fucking hot. Oh, sorry. No! Censor, I didn't say
एक
that. I didn't
शब्द
say
बोला
that.
था जो नहीं बोलना है.
Sorry. She is
चलेगा,
amazing.
चलेगा.
Like, look at her. Okay, I shouldn't.
Oh,
It's just
look
too
at
much
that.
love happening. It's just too much love happening, and we know the chemistry that, you know, Shahid and Kriti have shared. But something in Cocktail 2 is just so different, so magical. And when we saw Mashuka, we got a glimpse of it, and I just know that this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm just so excited to see what's in store more, because every scene that I've heard of, it's just spectacular, and Homester has killed it, and he's yawning right now. He's just like,
He's lost a lens.